Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Katrina here of Paper, Pens, and Coffee. If this is your first time finding me, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this particular video. Today, I'm just going to go through this amazing priority mailbox, medium box. I'm not going to flip it over just yet, but a medium box of the most wonderful goodies that was sent to me by Greg of Stationery Shenanigans. Thank you so much, Greg. This is just so overwhelming, so welcomed, and such a blessing. So I'm going to move this out of the way and just show you the items that he sent me. And congratulations once again on your graduating from your program and moving on to your next job and life that you decided to go forward after being in school for so many years. This first one is Gouache by Art Creations from Holland, and it has the basic colors that we all use. And I have not tried it yet because I've been waiting to do a unboxing of these wonderful treasures first. But once I learn how to use those particular gouaches, will probably do a video of this. I already did try these out. I have a variety of these. These are Le Pen drawings. Technical drawing pens, stylo design. Oh, the next language. I do apologize. So this is from, it's pigment ink. That's what I was looking for. So it's from the company Le Pen. There's a variety of them. He was smart and put them in a rubber band, which I have taken out since. Here is a little journal with cream colored lined pages that says Krakow on it. It's kind of squishy, and it does come with a ribbon. So this will be a nice journal to probably be sensitive of the size of it, probably just to keep my brain dump notes in it. Next we have a little craft set of paints from the $1.25 store, 13 pieces. And I like this so much. This is so cute. What I was thinking is once I use them up, because they have little wells in it, I'll keep it and then I could probably reuse it for my watercolors or even when I try out this gouache. I was on holiday when this came to my mailing address, so it was a great surprise to see when I had to go pick up my mail at the post office box. So these are Crimson Color Premier Colored Pencils Soft Core 12 count. Basic colors that we all use, and then when you blend them together, obviously you make other colors. This one I really like. I love the thinness of this tin. I think this would be a great one to have for on the go. And the reason for why is that they're double pointed. I don't know if you can see that. So there's two colors in one. So see, having the two colors in one, that makes it that much smaller. And he got this one at the Smithsonian Art Museum, which is on my wish list of museums. And apparently this design was by Jean Davis, called Red Witch, from 1966 acrylic on canvas. So love that. Let's see what else is in here. These are charcoal pencils. I haven't used charcoal pencils since I was in school, so I'm looking forward to trying these out. And there's even a white one. These are from Standler, if I'm pronouncing it right. It is a group of pencil, or let's see, what does it say? I'm looking for the English. Here we go. Complete set paint. Oh, it's paint and watercolor. Okay, I get it. So I was wondering why there was a paintbrush in there. Oh, how cool. It even comes with a bookmarker for you to try it out. Okay, now I understand that little thing there. So you can paint it, use the paintbrush, and then they give you a marker to draw over it. So let's see. So there's that size and a little narrower size. Oh, these are cool. All right, so there's this, come on, get back in there. Set of 3 markers, watercolor markers, a brush, and a paintbrush. Okay, so it's like having a mini kit all together. Alrighty, let's reach in here. These are 6 Mars Lithograph Black from 8B, 7B, 6B, 4B, 2B, and HB. HB means hard. So let's see what this is all about. I love these tins. I am a sucker for anything that comes in a tin. All right, this is in German. I don't read that. Okay, here it goes. The pencil is closely connected with the history of our company. And it tells a little more about it. The classic design Mars stands for our brand in the way of merging tradition and innovation. A product with tradition. Okay, said it again. Oh, ooh, these are from Germany. I probably already messed up the order of them, but very, very nice. I look forward to trying these out. And this, I guess, is, oh, cool. Tells you a little about each of the pencils. Alrighty. Okay. Another box. Oh, cool. All right. So now these are regular watercolors. Comes with 2 brushes. And this is in, oh, this looks like charcoal probably, because it's in plastic wrap, so it probably doesn't get all over the place. You have an eraser and then a little sponge for when you use it, you can wipe off your brush. And the colors, I like how it has water wells, so you can mix your colors in there. Love it. Okay, here is some Superior canvas pad. 280 GSM, 100% cotton. So, triple primed. Primed means that it has a coating on it so it won't soak through. So your paints will stay where they're supposed to, meaning it won't, not that they're going to run off or anything, but sometimes when you have canvases that are not primed, it just soaks right through. And if you have like this vibrant red, all of a sudden when it finishes drying, it might turn pink because it just soaked through. Okay, it's acid free. Sizing suitable for oil or acrylics. 8 by 10. I've never worked on canvas before. So this is going to be great to use. And this would also be great to use if you cut it out of this and put this like in a junk journal as a page. That would be a lot of fun. Here's another. Okay, this is, I've had this before. This is a lot of fun to use. Strathmore's Black Mixed Media. It's 15 sheets, 6 by 8, 184 pounds. So this will be great for using bright colors, or sometimes if you have silver or white pans that you use. That will pop on that. Another one of watercolor. This is an awesome shape. This reminds me of a fancy dancy postcard. This is watercolor paper. It's cold press. Outstanding lifting and scrubbing ability. Wonderful. Scrubbing meaning when you take your paintbrush and you have some paint on it, and then you can just keep moving it around before it dries. I love that. Let's see, anything else we need to know about? They're 4 by 8 inches. So this would totally, if I wanted to put this like in a regular size traveler's notebook, this would fit perfectly. It's 140 pounds. And there's 30 sheets. Lovely. All right. Another book. Here's another journal. I kind of took a peek at this already, and check this out. It shows the binding, which I think is cool because you see how they put it together, but also when you open it up, it lays flat. The sewing binding, because you don't have like that extra binding, I mean, like this. You know, if this was stuck there, then it wouldn't be able to lay flat. So this is a sketchbook, I'm assuming, the way I feel the paper. Yep, I was right. Sketchbook, 140 pages, and then the name of the picture on it from O Studios is called Color Palette. Love those rainbow colors. All right, let's see what else we have here. Now this one I also did see because I was really curious of what it was. I already took the label off, but this is for a portfolio. And I am going to put this to good use. So you would slip your, for example, see, and then when you flip through it, you don't have to worry about anyone touching it. I am starting to sell things in person around where I live, and I think this will be a great way to make a portfolio of my work for the customers to look at. Believe it or not, a lot of people that came to my booth the first time I did it earlier this month, a lot of them say, I don't write, I don't journal, I don't draw, which I was really surprised. But then I realized it's the people that are online that I communicate with all that. So I'm trying to bring that into my community. Love the color. Yellow is one of my favorites. It says Eco Qua 100% natural. Ooh, made in Italy. Oh, this is an A4. I've never had an A4 before. 85 grams. And an A4. I'm going to do the inches. Whoops, there we go. An A4 is 11.5 inches by almost 8 1/4. Oh, fancy little place to put your information. Oh, these feel so soft, like butter. Very delicate. This is going to be a lot of fun to use also. Let's see, what else do we have in here? A couple more things. Ooh, whoops, 2 things came out. Okay, we'll do this one first. Graphic paper. Oh, neat. I have a friend named Barbara Thomas who does a lot of paintings and drawings, and she likes using this to transfer her design onto another item before she paints it. So this will be a lot of fun to try out. Awesome. Another sketchbook. That is so pretty. I love those blues. So let's see in the back. Maybe the back gives us a little more information, and it does not. There's lots and lots of pages there. Let's see how big this one is. 9.5 by 6.5. And then that first one I showed you, 10 by 7. So there's going to be a lot of options for me to use. Oh, here we go on the very back. See, paper art. Oh, this looks like it came from Russia. Oh, how cool is that? That's wicked cool in my book. That's so cool. Okay, let's see. Bottom of the box. Oh, here's those other pens. I'm just going to grab all of this so I can get the box out of the way. And he wrote me a lovely card that has personal correspondence in it, so I will just show you the front of the card. Oh, I can't show you the front of the card, I apologize, but look how pretty the envelope is. Very pretty. Here's some cards that he put in there from the National Park Foundation. So these will be fun to pass on through Happy Mail. Here's the rest of those lip pens in different sizes. Let's see. This is Magic Black Eraser. I've never had a Magic Black Eraser. I've had Magic Erasers before. So this erases pastels, charcoal, graphite. Anything else in English? Idea, yeah. Great idea for charcoal. So I will remember to put this with those charcoal pencils. Here are some more pencils. I'm trying to find the English. Okay, number 2 and a HB hard. Oh, it comes with a pencil sharpener. Nice. Oh, these are pretty. Metallic pencils. Love it. Oh my gosh. Ever since Greg showed he got a glass pen from the $1.25 store, because Jot's done a really good job of different writing supplies at the $1.25 store that actually work. Every time I go, I look for one. So thank you so much, Greg, for that. I've been waiting to try that. Okay, here's another from Faber-Castell. I'm going to have to do another video showing you what I use creating these. Yeah, those are one of those soft little putty erasers that you can pull a little part, or once it gets nasty, you just kind of knead it back in and then have a clean part. Love it. That comes in a carrying case. And last but not least, Royal Langsnickel Zen Series watercolors, 5 pieces. Oh, I thought I opened this already, but I guess I didn't. Comes in a carrying case. I love having many watercolor brushes. Okay, we have a round head. This is really funky, the bottom of it. I bet you could use this for like moving out your paint or something if you're into that, like for different types of art. I use usually toothpicks, but maybe I'll try that. Okay, this one is a mop brush, a round wash brush. Ooh, that'll be nice to cover the page. Then we have a regular wash, and then we have a soft scrubber. So they mentioned that this particular paper was good for scrubbing abilities. This is a brush that is used for those abilities, so that'll be a great combination. Now let's see. You can use it on oils, acrylics, and watercolors. Alrighty. Excuse me. Well, once again, thank you so much for all these wonderful treasures. And I appreciate this, and I'm looking forward to putting all of these to use. Until next time, remember, messy hands, happy life. Bye!